Hello girls, how are you? Are you happy? Great! We are going to start with the hello song, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Hello, hello, how are you today? I am happy, happy, happy. Hello, hello, how are you today? I am sad, sad, sad. Hello, hello, how are you today? I am hungry, I'm hungry today. So today, girls, we are going to identify different farm animals. What are the farm animals? Are the animals that live here on the farm. Okay, girls, so now listen and repeat. A cow, a cow. Now you. Good. A horse, a horse. Now is your turn. Perfect. A pig, a pig. You now. Good. A rooster, a rooster. Excellent. A sheep, a sheep. Now you. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to show you different animals and you have to tell me if it's a farm animal or not, right? So, look at this. Is the elephant a farm animal? No, it's not. Very good. Now, look at this. Is the cow a farm animal? Yes, it is. Very good. Is the pig a farm animal? Yes, perfect. Is the kangaroo a farm animal? Very good. It's not a farm animal. Is the polar bear a farm animal? No, very good. Is the horse a farm animal? Yes, it is. Very good. Is the penguin a farm animal? No, it's not. Very good. Is the rooster a farm animal? Yes, it is. Perfect. Is the sheep a farm animal? Yes, it is. Very good. And finally, is the snake a farm animal? No, it's not. Excellent, girls. And that's all for today. You did it very good. Bye bye, girls.